In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Honkai Star Rail sound not working. We have a few solutions for you here. Let's go ahead and go to our first solution. So for our first solution, we are going to suggest you to actually just restart your game. So sometimes a good restart can help you a lot. So once you've done that, check if that solves your issue. But if not, we are going to suggest you to actually run your game as administrator. So running it as administrator can help you prevent any services not running on your game. Uh, and just to ensure that your game will run properly basically. Our next solution is to check audio output device. So what you want to do here is just make sure that you are using the correct device. So for example, if you're using your headset, make sure the headset is selected here. So if you're using a speaker, make sure your speaker is selected. And our next solution is to check audio mixer. So here just right click on the speaker icon and just open up open volumes mixer, and a section here for your game will appear. Just make sure it's not muted and the volumes is raised to a significant level where you can actually hear the game. And for our final solution, we are going to suggest you to actually just update your audio device. So to do that, just go to your Windows search and just type in device manager and just go to uh, the section for sound and video game controllers and just right click on your uh, headset or your speaker and just like click on it and just click on update driver. Here you'll be given two options, but we suggest you to use the search automatic for drivers since this will download and install the drivers for you automatically. So hopefully this video was able to help you a lot. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.